Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome, good to have you. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of new content every time it's released. Today we have another tutorial using Pat McGrath's Divine Rose 2 palette, also known as Mothership 8. The inspiration behind it is roses, of course. We have a very sultry, smoky pink look. If you're interested to know how to create this look, stick around for the tutorial. I also did a full video with Divine Rose 2 swatches compared against Divine Rose 1. If you're interested, I will link that above. See you after the tutorial. We're going to start with Extreme Burgundy, and I'm going to put that onto the outer corners into the crease. And we're just going to draw a shape, basically, that we'll fill in later. Then we're taking Eleganza and we're packing that onto the lid, starting from the outer corners. We're using this as a transition shade. And then we're going to apply Bronze Rosé 005 onto the center of the lid towards the inner corners. And we're applying that very generously. Then I'm going in with a crease brush to diffuse more of Extreme Burgundy and just blend it a little bit better towards Eleganza and Bronze Rosé. I'm going to add foundation, concealer, and contour, then we'll come back for the rest. For the lower lash line, I'm going to tight line using Rose Seduction. And then I'm going to blend Naked Blush onto the lower lash line as well. For the brow bone, we'll apply Skin Show Rose Opal. For inner corner, we're going to use Astral Pink Moon. It's a glitter finish and the color is very sheer. So I'm not going to apply right in here, but rather just on the outside like this. Sometimes when I add too much on the inner corner, you know, it does irritate my eyes a little bit. So I'm just going to add it on the outside here. Yes, the glitter does move around after you put it on. Over time it just kind of moves around, so some will get in the eye, but I think it's better when I don't put it just like right in there like I might do with some metallic finishes. Okay, let's go in with some black eyeliner. So I want there to be some added drama with this look. I could add some false eyelashes, but I already put on mascara today. If you wish, you can definitely put on false eyelashes to amp up the look, but I'm actually gonna go back in with the brush. I used to apply Rose Seduction and Naked Blush on the lower lash line, and I'm going to add this color into this area, right into the bridge of my nose. Makes it a smokier look, makes it a little bit more dramatic. The thing you have to be careful with doing that is when you're looking at it head on, it doesn't look dirty or muddy. So I might have overdone it just a bit here. I can go back in for cleanup, and I'm going to kind of smoke this out a little bit more. For blush, we're gonna go into Jouer's Treasure Me. I tried this yesterday, and now that I've finally gotten a good amount of sun, it looks really good. That brightness, that bright orange finally melds into the skin and doesn't stand out as like, ooh, a little too deep, or the shade's kind of out of my range here. And for highlight, we're gonna go with the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe palette, and we'll go with this shade here today. This is Absolute Strobe Light. For lips, I'm gonna go with Wayne Goss's Essential Lip Pencil, and this is in Antique Rose. I'm going to line my lips. And for lipstick, we're gonna apply Lily. And then we're gonna add some lip tint here. This is TONYMOLY's LIPTONE Get It Tint. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and found it helpful. More videos to follow this week. Maybe another tutorial video, maybe with Divine Rose 2 or a totally different palette. Well, I will see you guys then. Take care. Bye.